Okay, so today I will be reflecting on the decisions that I have made thus far, starting first with quiz 10.1 to 10.4, number 5, version B. So in this question, you are given the figure. There is a circle and there is a triangle partially contained within that circle. So you are asked to find the measure of arc BE, which is right here. And you're given that CB, the chord, is equal to 5 units. The chord DE is also equal to 5 units. And the chord CD is also equal to 5 units. You're also supplied with the fact that the arc CB is 110. I thought that CDB was an inscribed angle. So I divided 110 by 2 to get 55 degrees right here. And because these two were congruent, which I marked on my paper, this would also be 55 degrees. And using the angle sum theorem, I deduced that this one would be 70 degrees. So I found these wrong angle measures, but I still wasn't able to determine the measure of arc BE, which is what the question was asking. So ultimately, I was running out of time, and I ended up saying that you cannot find the measure of arc BE within the information supplied, as the vertices of the figure must fall on the points of the circle. The figure is not inscribed. I did not think that you could solve this because this point wasn't contained in here. But actually, you can solve it, and it's quite simple. So redoing the question again, I have the figure right here. And CB, the chord, is 5 units, DE is 5 units, and CD is also 5 units. This arc right here is 110 degrees. So when I was solving this problem, I forgot the theorem that if you have congruent arcs, you have congruent central angles, and then you have congruent chords. The thing about this theorem is that these are all interchangeable because of these little arrow thingies. So if I have congruent chords, aka CB, DE, and CD, then that means that their arcs are also congruent. If chords are congruent, then arcs are congruent. So because of that, this arc right here would be 110 degrees. This arc right here would also be 110 degrees. So when you add all of these up, you get 330 degrees. But these arc measures don't include BE right here. But since we know that the entire circle is equal to 360 degrees, then you would just have to subtract the arcs that we already know. And you would get 30 degrees. So once you have that 30 degrees, you can conclude that the measure of arc BE is equal to 30 degrees.